Hi, everybody. I'm Briteyellow, founder and tech lead at Briteyellow. We provide a data capture platform that enables smart stations. Over the last few years, I've led my team through collaborative R&D projects in high-performance computing, remote care monitoring, and connected passenger guidance, building for the platform of our solution today. Our mission is to provide the most powerful insights, actionable insights for transport operators to enable them to grow their revenues by improving customer experience for all. And yes, that includes the disabled. And making more efficient use of their assets, their fixed assets and their people. Our journey started in 2017 on the Billion Journey Accelerator, through the Intelligent Mobility Accelerator, and here at the Transport for Wales Accelerator, where some of the magic happened. We have since gone on to evolve through paid pilots by Department for Transport on the Accessibility Improvement Programme, working together with Transport for Wales, and with Department for Culture, Media and Sports on the West Midland 5G programme, working with Transport for West Midlands and West Midland Trains. I said the magic occurred here at Transport for Wales because that's really when we discovered that there was a problem. 6.2% of the population don't use rail. That's 4 million people. And even worse, the 10 million registered disabled people, for them, public transport is a nightmare. They don't know what's inside. They don't know whether they can actually get out through the station before they leave home. And that's scary. So we set out to solve this problem. But let's take an example here. Sean, a single mother, 2 small kids, and her mum, Andrea, 71's got arthritis on both legs. They want to go on a journey from Pontypridd to Shrewsbury via Cardiff Central. Andrea imagines those stairs and her knees, and she thinks, I don't want to go. And Sean thinks about the 2 kids and the luggage up those same stairs, and she thinks, maybe we better drive. So that's the lost revenue for operators from people not using trains. So we've set out to solve that problem. We quickly realized that the solution was 3 things. 1, virtual reality. So you can see inside the station, understand what's there before you leave home. 2, augmented reality. So that when you're there, you can be guided with haptic guidance, voice control to your destination without getting lost. And 3, smart wearables that have precision so that when you're going through those large multimodal stations, independently, you know that if something went wrong, there's somebody on the end who knows where you are and can help you instantly. So we've built this, and this is what it looks like. So here's our app. Before you leave home, you've got the data from our sensors telling you how crowded it is before you even leave home, so you can choose the best time for you, if you're autistic, for example. And then here's the virtual tour, interactive tour, so you can see what's inside that station, plan your route, make any changes you need to make, be sure that you can get through. And then here's the augmented reality with voice control, haptic feedback. That takes you from outside the station all the way inside the station. We've improved this, even from this demo, to add new features so that we can guide those that need guiding around obstacles, fixed obstacles, and even crowds, areas of congestion, so we can guide them safely around those, all the way to the right point to catch that train. So imagine this as part of a Transport for Wales app for a customer who is disabled, improving their user experience and guiding them to that endpoint. on the platform to catch their train. Here's an example of the wearable. But what about for the operator? Is these insights from our sensors. Now they know not only where the crowding is occurring, they can benchmark different parts of their station. They can benchmark different stations. They can forecast. We can give them forecasts of when crowding is going to happen, overcrowding, so they can mitigate and move resources, move staff, have them at the right place at the right time to improve experience. So I ask you to imagine our solution now for the 10 million registered disabled users, the 4 million people that don't use public transport at the moment. What would it be like if more of them could use sustainable public transport? With our system, we can start to do that. Our dream is for this to be available on all train networks, on every operator. We're already working with Transport for Wales. 6 stations in Wales, 3 in the West Midlands. We want to make this available everywhere. Just like Trainline, you use it because it works. This works. We've proved it. We've demoed it. This works. This is real. So we can make this happen. It's hard to do, but we can do it with your support. If you'd like to find out more, come and speak to me on our stand. I'm Briteyellow. Thank you.